Good afternoon, everyone. Today, we have to study in French. So, ang weather for today is sunny and 12 afternoon. So, let's count 1 to 10. Tumataba na yata ako. That's good. Hiyang lang tayo dito. Okay. A, deux, trois, quatre, six, cinq, huit, neuf. Guess, what's that? I have missing something. Un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq, six, cinq, huit, neuf. Guess. What is your name? Caletonum. Caletonum is what is your name? My name is Norlin. So, in France is Je m'appelle Norlin. How are you? Comment ça va? I'm fine. Ça va bien. Nice to meet you. Enchanté. What else? I don't understand. Je ne comprends pas. And then, thank you so much. Merci beaucoup. Thank you is merci. Yes is oui. Goodbye is au revoir. See you soon is à bientôt. Please is s'il vous plaît. Then what else? Thank you, merci. Excuse me, excusez-moi. I'm sorry, c'est désolé. That's all for today. I have to go school, so to study more French kasi hindi sila marunong mag-English. Sa Quebec, more is French. Pero sa Canada, in whole Canada, more is English. Pero yung place sa Quebec kasi kami is later, sooner or later. So, more French. Here in condo, yung isang house niya, English dito. So, pag dun kami, kaya I need to know the French kasi yung family niya is French language. Kaya eto, study. Ang mangyan. I think I can kasi I learned Arabic when I was in Dubai. I learned Chinese when I was in Hong Kong. Not much, but at least I can understand them. That's the most important things. So I can have a conversation to apam siblings. So, yan muna for today. Hanta ba ako? Bye!